Hi everyone, my name is Mr. Raval. My project title is Mental Health Journal AI app, and my GitHub username and EDX username are mentioned here. City and country is Gujarat from India. Date of recording is 6 July 2025. So as you know that my project is about mental health journal app. So first of all I will show you the test of my project. We'll type PyTest. After that, test project.py. Okay, so our test is done successfully, and now we are going to run this project. Type Python project.py. Oh, sorry, it's Python project.py. It will show us message that welcome to the mental health journal. Write your journal entry. So I'm going to write now that I'm feeling a little bit nervous about exams, but hopeful things will go well. Okay, I've typed this message and it will see it will show us two messages. Your mood seems to be natural. Okay, it will show you your mood status and also mental health tips. It will go give a mental health tips like take a short mindful walk. So basically, the app analyzes the sentiment of the text using TextBlob and say your mood seems to be natural to and take a short mindful walk. Okay, the journal entry is set automatically in a file called mood.json. So open mood.json and you can see here is 1 2 3 4 5 entry and yes, today is 6th July, and we have mentioned that input text. I'm feeling a little bit nervous about exam, but hopeful things will go well, and it will say are more like natural. Okay, so that's my project combining journaling with emotional insight. Thank you for watching this video.